Okay, just checking in. How you doing? This was a lot of information on the urinary disorders and the reproductive system disorders this week. But I know that you did a great job. We look at all the learning objectives that you have met, including talking about electrolytes, describing what anti-infectives are used for urinary tract infections, the role of urinary tract analgesics and antispasmodics in treatment, and discussing enuresis and medication used for its treatment, as well as overactive bladder. But most importantly, we discussed providing patient education for compliance with medication used to treat this disease and condition, or these diseases and conditions. And then we moved on to the reproductive system disorders. We talked about some sex hormones, medications used in treating disease specific to male and female reproductive systems. And there are pros and cons, different forms of contraceptive medication. So we looked at that. We discussed medication for several of the male reproductive system disorders, and again, looked at our patient education for compliance with meds and for the treatment and conditions of the reproductive system. I hope you're having a great week, and I will see you next week in class and online. Bye-bye.